Hi guys, it is softmemeware here and thank you for checking out this video, for giving your valuable time to watch this video, to watch first income fixes review video. And inside this video I will be showing you this product and also giving you a detailed overview about this tool. Though there is nothing much to tell about this tool. This is a totally tutorial based course, but let me clear you one thing, that you will be given some good and valuable bonuses from my website if you purchase it from my website, and that kind of bonuses have been collecting by me from so many days, and that will be given to you totally free once you have purchased it from my website. But I will clear you the bonus part a little bit later after talking about the product. So let me start with the product. So this product is all about giving you 10 unique and passive earning method. Mostly out of them, or maybe all of them, are totally related with passive, but you have to work a little bit, a 1 or 2 hour each day, to get a good money earning, like more than $100 a day you can earn via that process, or maybe more than $1,000 also. So I don't want to, or I can't show you the exact the training from here, because once I have clicked it, once I have clicked the method one, it will be showing here the first chapter, or the first way, or the stuffs, like the direct name of the way, the method, which will be the passive earning way. Let me show you one just. So the first is the transcription way. So the first one is transcription, maybe the transcription. So the audio to writing, text to speech output, something like that. So this is the one way, and there will be also 9 ways inside this pack that will be showing you, and also will be explained by this guy. So you can see that this video is 11 minutes and totally step by step will be explained by this guy. And also there are so many resources, and you can use these resources as this guy will be showing you the steps, and you should do it with him simultaneously, and you can use the resources to do the same and earn money like he is doing. So I have gone through all of the 10 courses, and I have not checked out all the total video, but I have gone through a bit each of the video, and I realized that the thing that it is totally a proven method, and all of the methods are really proven and good method. So I am using also a passive money earning method, that is affiliate marketing, but it is not given inside this 10. There are some unique methods given here. So this was the product, and let me now show you my bonuses and also the product cost and every other additional stuffs. So these are the ratings, and this is a good and outstanding performance by this tool, 9.77 out of 10. So this is the product pricing, $12.95, and this guy is also giving you 30 days no satisfaction money back guarantee. And let me clear you that this is totally scrutinized by the Warrior Plus platform, so you should have nothing to worry to do the refund process, to be tensed with the refund process. So this is a product definition or description, and this is the product owner. In my opinion, I have gone through all of the courses, but I have not checked the whole video, but I have gone through a bit or each of the videos, each of the 10 videos, and the video is very detailed, and it will give you the resources also, and the methods are really rapidly trending. So that's why I suggest you to get this product if you want to earn passively. So this is also a ridiculously cheap pack. So this is a sales funnel of this tool, and this sales funnel is pretty much revealing. You can check out this sales funnel. I don't want to explain the title only, so because this is meaningless, and that will be also making the video lengthy. So now let me start with the bonus part. You can check out the bonuses via the video description link. You will be given this page. You will be redirected to this page, and you can check out the bonuses. You can get the bonuses with this product. So inside case studies, you will be given 4 live case studies, and all other live case studies will be helping you to grow online more and more. So you will be given Facebook and YouTube help, you will be given 7 softwares: Backlink Warrior for backlink, for SEO optimization, Socialtima for social media traffic, Video Hub for video traffic, for video customization, for video reach and the video viraling video, and for the Gram Suite, which is totally related to Instagram. Next one is the lead generation tool to get the traffics or leads or client base, make your client base or something like that to grow your list. And the next one is article analyzer to analyze any article, the metadata, the headings, the other stuffs, to the tags, okay, something like that. And the next one is keyword ninja, the keyword to rules, the keyword like long tail keywords or golden keyword rule, something like that you can do with this tool. You will be given also ebooks, and most importantly, if you purchase any upsell of this product from my website, as the upsell is costlier than the front end product, you will be given more. You will be given 200 plus software totally free, 75 plus plugin from my website, and also 1K plus high quality graphics, 1.46K doodle character images, 100 plus miscellaneous product with resell rights. You can resell them as you are the owner of the product, and also 3 PC games, and you can resell them as you are the owner, and also 3 PC games, but it is restricted to first 10 members only, cause those who are coming first, they should be served first. That is my opinion or my philosophy. Okay, so after purchasing the product, you have to go through your purchase history option. From that option, you will be given this button, this access affiliate bonus option or button. So that button will be redirecting you to my bonuses. That is the only way to get my bonuses with this product. Obviously you have to purchase it, then you have to claim the bonuses, so then you can claim the bonuses. So that was the product overview and fast income fixes review, and I am signing out for the video. I'm wrapping up the video, so bye bye.